Okay, we're going to divide a whole number by a fraction. And I'm going to show you how to represent it 3 ways. 1 as a pictorial model, 2 as a number line, and then last using standard algorithm. And I tell the students, if you start with a whole, your answer is going to be a whole. So start with a whole, end with a whole. Since this equation starts with a whole, the dividend is a whole, the quotient, which is the answer, is going to be a whole. So here's the pictorial model. 3 wholes are divided into 3, or into thirds. And now we're going to count up the pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are a total of 9 pieces. We started with a whole, ended with a whole. Okay, next we're going to look at the number line. 3 divided by 1/3. So our number line is going to start with 0, and we're going to have our number line going from 1 to 3, because 3 is being divided into thirds. 0 to 1 is a whole, 1 to 2 is a whole, 2 to 3 is a whole. So for our first whole, going from 0 to 1, we're going to divide it in thirds, or separate it in thirds. If you count the spaces in between, there are 3 wholes. We're going to do the same thing for 1 through 2. Divide that into thirds. Count the spaces in between the 1 and the 2. That's thirds. And then 2 to 3, doing the same thing. Now, division is repeated subtraction, so we're going to hop backwards till we get to 0. Because the 3 wholes are being divided into thirds, so we're going backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 jumps backwards all the way to 0. And yes, we're going to end with 0. So that's the number line. Standard algorithm. We do what's called keep, change, flip. We keep the dividend, change, division. Let me rewrite this so it's a little clearer. Keep, change, flip. We keep the dividend, which is 3. We change division to multiplication. Then we flip the 1/3. And that means whatever is at the bottom becomes the top, and the top becomes the bottom. So 3 written as a fraction, we're going to keep it. 3 over 1. Division is going to change to multiplication. The 1/3, we're going to flip it. The 3 is now at the top. The 1 is now at the bottom. When we multiply in the numerator, we had 3 times 3 is 9. And then 1 times 1 in the denominator is 1. And the answer, 9 divided by 1, is 9. So we've divided a whole number by a fraction using pictorial models, a number line, and standard algorithm.